Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some object I will show to you how to make it. Okay, I have this one. We just call it smartwatch stand, and let's see how I make it. Okay guys, it's very simple to make it this object. So we can use new file and hybrid design, create new and close glass tab, and then let's try to make it sketch on the bottom plane. Just use center rectangle. I have my own dimension guys, it is up to you. This is actually just a prototype, okay, not the real object dimension, okay. So new components and okay, let's start to modify and fillet this edge, the corner, like that, the edge. And I'm gonna make it the fillet about 2 the enter, and fillet also on this top edge and bottom edge, make it just 1 like that, okay. And then let's go to construct, use offset plane, click from the this face and pull it back, make it -40 like that. And let's go to the front view, right view, and just click the plane or the orange plane like that. You can start from this corner, okay, make it the distance about this 2. Okay, and go to the up, make it 2 also like that, make it a line, okay, make it line like this, make it the angle 100 degrees about 75, and the line about 45 like that, okay. And just make it line again to the right, make it about 25, okay. And start to modify the line with a fillet, okay, this one and with this one. And the radius you can make it 15, okay, like that. So just use an offset to the line, okay. We click this one or choose this curve, okay, like that. Make it the distance is about this 2, and then you connect it and also connect it right here, okay, to able for extrude, okay. Finish and finish sketch, okay. Use extrude, okay, make it -5 and use the operation is doing, okay. Okay, there, okay. I think -5 is enough. Just click OK. Okay, and then you can just extrude again and click this face and make it this one, okay. Another curve or another face, okay, like that. Make it make it little bit. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I think, yeah, 15, I think it's okay. That's it. Okay, it has to bigger than this one. Okay, so we can just use press tool. You can just or click this face like that and just make it bigger. Okay. Okay, I think 2, 4. Oh, that's stupid. Maybe 3. Okay, how about 2? Okay, I think it's 3. Okay, and just enter like that. Okay, just finish. Simple, right? So you can just make it the appearance. Make it use wood. Okay, wood. Anything you want. Okay, I want to use this cherry. Yeah, cherry glossy. Okay. Okay, let's finish. Very simple, right? To make it this smart watch stands. Okay. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye bye.